Oh, state. Can you help me out, please?
Yeah, that's all I was asking. You want to put this away? Put it right there.
Was this on yesterday's judge?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Mr. Bond, 255-8319 and 8318. When you come to court, you come dressed appropriately, not in half shirts, dude. You're not going to a club.
It's closed, yes, sir. Understand.
Why did you miss court?
Not valid transportation.
I will reinstate your bond today, but I'm not going to do this again. If you continue to miss court, it's just not going to go well for you. Do you understand? You get one get out of jail free card. That's it. You stand charged with 2 cases. You're charged with criminal mischief. You're also charged with assault of a family member. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Did you get the cost numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
On April 2nd, 2025, Harris County Police Officer dispatched to assault in progress. The officer arrived and observed the complaining witness needs an assault fighting. The officer made contact with the complaining witness and stated that he and the defendant were dating the show. The complaining witness stated that they got into an argument inside the gas station when the defendant punched him in the face, causing pain, and proceeded to punch him several more times before the complaining witness started to fight back with the defendant. The second complaining witness stated that he searched for items and substances.
Okay. How much as far as criminal mischief is concerned? Because I have here, it's a class A. So you really over $750 worth of.
He said 1 million. There were multiple specials and standard damage totaling approximately $1,800 in value.
Mr. Bond, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. What are you doing with yourself these days?
I'm trying to find a job, trying to get myself together.
Where are you living?
Trying to mentally figure myself out as well.
Where are you living?
Everywhere.
This is not a good way to go through life, Mr. Bond. No, you're begging for trouble. When you're living on the streets, it's an extremely hard life that ends nowhere good. Who do you have in your life that can help you out? You have mom, dad, anyone?
No, my dad lives in Arkansas now. I have my best friend every now and then. She could help me out.
About dad? Why not dad?
He's weird.
So I'm going to appoint your lawyer today. I don't want to use alcohol. I don't want you to use any dope. And I'm telling you, I'm going to test you. You need to understand this, that you probably at this juncture in your life have no one in this world that is willing to probably even pony up $100 to get you out of jail. You are out because we gave you a PR bond.
Being out of jail does not mean being free without limits. A bond comes with responsibility. Break the rules and the system responds quickly. The court gives structure, not punishment for no reason. Choices made today decide where tomorrow is spent.
If you don't get a PR bond, you will be stuck like Chuck in there until this thing is over with. And I'm telling you, it takes damn near 9 months just to get a 911. So imagine, you can be stuck in there for a long time. All I'm asking you to do, don't be a danger to my streets, and don't have contact with this complaining witness. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you need resources, a place to stay, food, devices, we can help you out. All you have to do is ask. But I'm not going to be understanding if you sit here, start picking up cases, you start going out there using all kind of crazy ass dope. It's not going to happen. You understand? Make good decisions, because if you don't, okay, so don't worry about conditions. He'll be with Felicia. Okay. So, Vic, do you mind reaching out to the MAC phone, please?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you sign a reset, Victoria. You were going to meet with Felicia for your bond conditions, then I'll have you take your seat in the jury box while I find your lawyer. Please. Did you get the bonds to
So,
both of you?
Judge, are you ready for it?
I think while intoxicated, it's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. It's even there after you die. I'm going to tell you that if you ever get pulled over from now on and you have even the faintest, remotest smell of alcohol or anything funky, an officer comes up to your window and then they see that you have a prior DWI, it's probably not going to go well for you. And what we're doing today, from now on, you are facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Do you understand? No more proverbial slaps on the wrist. The other thing you need to understand is that from now on, there is a $6,000 surcharge on a DWI second that tacks on to you if you plead guilty to that. And if you fail to pay it, every $100 that you owe, you sit 1 day in jail. So if I were you, even if you've had a sip of alcohol, I wouldn't get to a car because you're playing with fire. You understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal, meaning once you plead guilty, you can never take it off. Is this what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? Is it true or untrue that you had a 0.15 or above?
This is true.
Okay. So true to the enhancement. All right, ma'am, I'm now going to suspend your license for 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license, and good luck to you. Thanks. Thank you, counsel.
This is the moment to change direction. Make better decisions before it is too late. Opportunities do not wait forever, and patience runs out. The judge's final message is clear. Take control of your life now, or let your choices decide your future.
Milton Avalar, we just need to approach for bond conditions, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you mind bringing them up?
Yes, sir.
Did you see your case?
What? No.
Yeah, you got it.
You're right down.
Okay. Oh, the one you emailed me about this morning? Yes, I got the. So I'll take care of it.
Put it on for tomorrow.
Okay.
It's going to felony court,
Yes.
so we'll probably see him Monday.
Okay.
Oh,
Can I get that?
Blaze, he's representing
Sorry.
for the murder case. He's representing on the assault. So, anyways,
I also put it
so this is Mr. Avila. Can you refresh my memory about the complaining witness in this case, please?
Yes, sure.
Who it is and he's got the terroristic threat of a household member and now picks up the VPO.
Yes, sure. It looks like this was the one where the complainant was in the passenger seat. I believe
Did you approach me to get
I believe, yes.
that you guys want to have access to each other?
No, that's not that one. That's a different one. That's one where,
So does she not want to have contact with him then?
Yeah, she wants to.
She wants to. Yours isn't the one where the woman got into a car accident.
Yes,
That is you.
yeah.
That is him. Yes, that's when she got to the car accident,
the
her house
fire.
burned down and all that.
Oh, okay. No. Now I remember.
Never to have access to him. Yes, or for him not to have limited or restricted access.
So have you reached out to her to see if she makes sure that
yes, Your Honor. DVD did, and she confirmed that
she's okay with having contact with him?
well, there was sorry. As far as she confirmed that what happened that there was a fire in her apartment and that she got into an accident.
Right. But does she want to have contact with him?
I know you're not DVD, but I did receive an email from her, basically saying that I spoke with her that day. I mean,
Is she here?
she's not here, Your Honor.
So let's do this. Before, I want to make sure that the DAs get in contact with her. They talk with her, make sure she's okay with it. And if that happens, then I'm going to order you not to have any threatening or harassing contact with her and not doing possession of weapons. I want you to understand that you need to take this violation of protective order seriously, because if I put conditions on and you violate these conditions, I can have a hearing to hold you at no bond, zero bond. So you need to take it. I don't care what she wants, what happens if there's a tornado. None of that matters. A court order is a court order. You're expected to follow with it. If you have a problem, come ask and we can talk about it, like what we're doing now.
Yes, sir.
I want to make sure that they reach out to her. If she's okay with it, then we'll amend to no threatening, harassing, and no weapons, okay? Give me a little bit of time because we're busy, as you can see, and then we'll see. If she's okay with it, then we'll do it.
Your Honor, this, from what I have on the record, I did find that what Claire stated to the prosecutor was that she just wanted the defendant to leave her alone, that they cannot see each other and cannot live together.
Well, that's why I'm saying, you see something, he sees something different. The best way, if you can just reach out to her.
Sure.
I know that we're busy now, so you're gonna have to give us a little bit of time, and then we'll get it, but we'll get it done for you, okay?
Come on,
Just hang tight.
About 45 minutes.
Yeah,
Thank you.
okay. All right, Mr. Avalar, so take a seat, but don't leave. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Krasinski, you were charged with forgery of a financial instrument. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. Is this what you want to do? From now on, you are facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you can never change this. Undo this, do something else. Is this what you want to do?
Sir.
How do you plead to the offense, sir? We'll find you guilty, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Does this take care of upstairs as well or no? No? All right. Got it. Anything, nothing else?
Nothing else.
Don't use. I will test you 50 days from today.
Yes, sir.
If you test positive, you've continued to use, it's not going to go well for you. I'm not asking much. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. We'll set your case off for 50 days from today, and then I'll have to come back and we'll, okay? All right. After that, if he's negative, then we'll wait.
So do you want me to come back on?
She'll explain that.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Only have you continually failed and are always late to court. You failed to repeatedly appear in this court, and I now have your bond set at 5,003. Goes with you. Enough is enough. You can't keep doing
It's a new job. It's a good mistake.
it. You can't just come when you want to come. We have court dates. Give you a lawyer. You can't just do what you want to do.
Had transportation issues.
I'll appoint your lawyer today.
Hi, Your Honor.
Mr. Monk was about to lose it, so we got to be careful.
I don't have to go that far, but I do want to see my grandbaby.
I'm kidding.
You want to see your grandbaby?
My grandbaby's in town.
Oh, they're in town.
Just came this night.
Well, you should have taken the day off
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
It's a day off.
Yeah.
When was he asked to switch it? Lisa.
Good morning, Mr. Jimenez. Is it Jimenez, right?
Señor Jiménez, ¿es correcto?
Or Hernandez?
Hernández.
No, it's Jaime Hernandez.
Hernández?
Mr. Hernandez, you stand charged with the offense of failure to stop and give information. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you a 6-month, they're offering you a 6-month deferred
No.
type of probation. You need to understand that this is a great probation that if you complete it successfully, you do not end up with a conviction on your record. But you need to understand that you give up nearly every right known to man by entering into this agreement. And if you fail to live up to your side of the bargain, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. We will have a hearing. You will be facing 180 days in jail.
80 días de cárcel.
Do you understand?
Yes.
It is a 6-month deferred. The only condition is that you pay $2,000 in restitution to the complaining witness. Does he have his Texas driver license?
No.
Does he have the ability to get a
¿Puede
license?
obtener uno? No.
You have a lot riding on this, Mr. Hernandez. If you go to jail and you're not in this country with permission and immigration funds you, it's probably not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Yes.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Do you understand?
¿Usted lo entiende?
Sí,
Is
Yes.
this what you want to do?
¿Lo que usted desea hacer?
sí,
Yes.
How do you plead to the
¿Cómo se
offense?
declara
Guilty or
si
not
lo
guilty?
culpable o no culpable?
culpable.
Guilty.
I'm not going to find you guilty. I will withhold that for 6 months.
Eso es
I'm going to hold you to this probation until restitution is made whole. I've literally held people for 3 years to get them to pay restitution. It's only fair. Now, you are not allowed to drive. If I find that you're driving while you're on this probation, it's really not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
¿Usted lo entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
So let's set up a payment. Well, yeah, no driving affidavit, but let's set up a payment plan. I'm not going to hope and wish and dream about that. Just so we're going to set up a payment plan for you.
¿Cuánto pago?
Do
You
you?
said $400 a month is what you can pay.
$400 mensuales lo que puede pagar.
So
400 times 5 is 2,000.
is this something that you can make? Can you do the $400 a month?
$400 mensual? Yes.
Okay, then that's the deal that we will make.
Lo que vamos a hacer.
If you,
Hacer los pagos como el día primero.
I need to make the payments on the first.
that's okay.
Está muy
I will-
bien.
whatever you want to,
Voy a hacer lo que usted desea.
if you need more time,
¿Necesitas más
we
tiempo?
can give you more time.
Podríamos dar más tiempo.
No,
No.
lo que quiero es, si puedo hacerlo más rápido, más
If I could
rápido.
do it, the quicker I can do it,
Pay it off
si lo paga de antemano,
in half the time.
en menos de,
I'll take you off early.
le voy a quitar
Okay.
de,
Then if you pay off the entire balance, Take-
a balance. I'm so sorry. Can I take this call? It's the hospital. Oh, shoot, they hung up. That's okay. I'm sorry. It's my husband
I
had
know
surgery.
it's,
Oh, gosh.
so, well, let's get this done. All right.
Okay, these are,
Any issues you have, talk to Shatoria. We can work it out. Don't just take off. Don't pick up a new case because I will issue a warrant.
pero por si
Do
no.
you understand?
¿Está bien?
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
Thank
Oh,
you.
shoot. Hello? Hello?
The courtroom moved rapidly through a series of serious cases, with the judge sending a clear message about responsibility, consequences, and second chances. Defendants were warned for missing court, dressing inappropriately, using drugs, and repeatedly violating bond conditions. Assault, criminal mischief, forgery, evading arrest, and multiple DWI cases were addressed, with the judge carefully explaining rights, long-term records, immigration risks, and jail time. Some were given final opportunities through PR bonds or deferred probation, while others lost their bond after testing positive for drugs or ignoring court orders. From unemployed defendants to repeat offenders, the judge made it clear that excuses would no longer work. The message was firm and unforgettable. Follow court rules, stay clean, and make better choices, or face jail with no more chances.